Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Now tell me, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss Chapter 6 Fun Maze. Chapter 6 Fun Maze from Art and Activity Skillbook. Now take out your yellow color book. Take out your yellow color book. Take out it fast. Yes, then today we will discuss fun maze. What is this? This is road, water, the river. Find the path to help the mechanic to reach the van. Where is van? This is van and this is mechanic. This is mechanic. Who is mechanic? Who is mechanic? Who repairs the vehicle? Who repairs the vehicles? Example of vehicles: car, bus, van. Car, bus, van. Who repairs the vehicle? And this is van. अब van यहाँ पे खराब हो गई है और मैकेनिक कहाँ है? यहाँ पे. Where is mechanic? Here. Now mechanic have to find out the right path. Find out the right path to go. This or this. Take out your favorite color. Take out your favorite color. And then we have find out the right path to go. This is mechanic and this is van. Start from this, then this. We are going right. I hope we are going right or not. Yes, we are going right. And finally, we reached our location, means मैकेनिक को ठीक रास्ता हमने बता दिया. The right path to go. Do it fast. Do it fast. We start from here. Then we will go this, zigzag, and this. Complete it fast. I hope you all are enjoy this activity. I hope you all enjoyed this. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class. Bye-bye. Take care.